Hey my food fam, welcome back to Cooking with Sakinah. We have another recipe as promised, a new recipe every week. And today we're diving into a bold, comforting classic, chicken masala. It's not done the traditional way, but it's very, very close to it. Juicy chicken, aromatic spices, and a rich, savory gravy all in one pot, and all done in just under 30 minutes. Here's what you'll need for the first part. 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 large onions finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of chicken masala, your drumsticks. I'm using 2 kg as I have a big family. 4 tomatoes chopped and 5 baby potatoes cut into 4. First we're going to start by sauteing the onion and chili, and then we're going to add the chicken masala. We're going to saute that for around 1 to 2 minutes until the onions are caramelized. Then we're going to go ahead and add in the chicken, and we're going to brown them, probably an extra 4 to 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes and potatoes and sort of just mix it in for around a minute just to get the potatoes and tomatoes mixed in to the chicken masala and chicken. Now it's time to add the seasoning. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of curry pepper, half a tablespoon of spice. Of course, you're free to add more if you feel your dish needs more spice, but this is how much I used while I was cooking my chicken masala. And then we're going to go ahead and add in 500 grams of Greek yogurt or natural yogurt. We're going to go give that a good mix, then we're going to go cover it and let it simmer. And then we're going to simmer it for around 20 minutes. Don't worry about adding water, as the yogurt and tomatoes and the natural chicken juice will produce its own gravy, so you wouldn't need to add water. But if you don't see enough gravy, then you can go ahead and add water. However, for my dish, I didn't need to add any water. As you can see, it was very gravy. It had enough gravy in it already. So for the last part, we're going to go add in some coriander, and I love coriander. I can't stress that enough. Coriander is only the perfect finishing touch. It just adds that last bit of flavor and brings the whole dish together. We're going to serve it up and enjoy. Don't forget to follow my Instagram and TikTok, Cooking with Sakinah. Subscribe and leave a comment, and stay tuned for a new recipe every week. Bye.